reporting live from Virginia Beach.
Sorry, I got carried away. Here's the real room. This is the first floor. The room is pretty tight, especially the bathroom. The tub has jets, so it's very hard to get in. Keep that in mind. Already made a mess, but how nice. I really like that the setup is like a studio apartment. You have a dishwasher, you have a microwave, a full fridge. The freezer has ice trays. The kitchen has a flat top and also plenty of cooking utensils. The bed is pretty comfortable. The room was very, very clean, I can say. And the highlight of the room is always the view. Every room has an ocean view. How can you beat that? In a room from the first floor, you can just walk to the beach. Room tour. Now here's a room, the same kind from the first floor, but it's way more spacious. It has the same one bedroom, one studio setup. It's very nice. I would really recommend traveling here if you're traveling with a family and you're trying to go budget easy, because you can make all your meals here. You have a cooking top. They provide a couple pots and pans. You can make dishes for your family and have a budget-friendly vacation. Here's the view from the 9th floor. Love that the porch always has a chair and a little table where you can have breakfast or lunch on. It's very nice. I really recommend. Wow. This is the sunroof. We went to the pool there as well. They have an indoor pool, which is really nice, as well as a hot tub. If you're entertaining by the pool, they have some chairs that you can sit outside and tan. And the view by the pool is so worth it. You can see the whole boardwalk of Virginia. I hope you found this video very informative, and if you have any questions, just let me know. As always, have a safe trip. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!